Ever harbored the desire to create your own body butter? The thought of whipping up a highly moisturizing blend of shea and cocoa butter fused with nourishing oils might sound intimidating, but the process is simpler than you might think. This DIY whipped body butter recipe is not only easy to make, but it also leaves your skin feeling soft, smooth, and non-greasy. Start by gathering your ingredients and tools. You'll need a double boiler or a bowl suspended over a pan of water. For the body butter, prepare half a cup each of shea butter, coconut oil, and almond oil. Almond oil can also be substituted with jojoba or olive oil. For a touch of fragrance, 10 to 30 drops of your preferred essential oil can be added, with lavender being a popular choice. The first step is to combine all the ingredients, excluding the essential oils, in your double boiler or glass bowl. Heat these over medium heat, stirring consistently until everything is melted and combined. Once all your ingredients have melted together, remove the mixture from the heat and let it cool slightly. This would be the perfect time to stir in your essential oils if you're using any. Next, chill the mixture in the refrigerator for about 1 hour, or until it starts to harden around the edges. After this, you'll need a hand mixer to whip the mixture for about 10 minutes until it achieves a fluffy consistency. After whipping, return the mixture to the refrigerator for another 10 to 15 minutes to set. Your homemade whipped body butter is now ready to be stored in a glass jar with a lid. Use it as you would any regular lotion or body butter. If your home is above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, the body butter might soften and need to be kept in the refrigerator to maintain its whipped texture. This DIY whipped body butter is customizable to your preferences. Cocoa butter, shea butter, and mango butter are all interchangeable in this recipe. If you only have 1 or 2 on hand, feel free to substitute or play with different proportions. Whether you keep it for yourself or give it away, this homemade body butter is sure to be enjoyed. So, why not take a leap into the world of DIY skincare and give this recipe a try? You might just discover a new hobby. I have put the list of the ingredients in the description below. Please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.